If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and get the best tutorial on different learning topics. Also, hit bell icon to get notification on every upload so that you will not miss any of my video. Hi, myself Shriyukta. Welcome you to my channel Alaukik the Learning Space. My today's topic is filter data by using AutoFilter. Why we use filter? What is the use of filter? With the help of filter option, we can narrow down the data in our worksheet. We can control our data, means filtering allows us to display the data of our interest and hide the other part from viewing. You can apply filter in different ways. You can filter numerical or text value, date, filter by color for cell which have color formatting. You can also apply more than one filter to further narrow your result. So where this filter option appears, you can see in Home tab, editing part, that is editing group. Here a small arrow, click on that. Here is the filter option. Second, in data tab, there is a separate group, sort and filter. Okay, so this is the two location where we can get filter option. What is the shortcut of filter option? Control plus Shift plus L. Okay, and today in this video I am going to cover these four topics, that is filtering data from the display list, filter by searching, filter data by specifying condition like number filter or text filter, filter by color. Okay, apart from this, there are many more topics relating to this filter option, such as advanced filter, filter data with formula, how to filter duplicates, how to filter out blank cell, etc. etc. You will learn this in my upcoming video. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload any video, whether it is about filter or any other topic of Excel, you will get the notification of it and will not miss any of my video. Now we will move towards our practical section. So let's start our work. So in my second sheet, I am having one data set. It's an example. So it's a list of order from the period of Jan 2020 to December 2020. Okay, it's a 1 year data. So we are now going to apply filter here. Okay, so there is a three-way. Select this whole row and apply filter. This is a one way. Control Z. Select this column head. Control Shift L. It's a shortcut. This is the second way. So Control Z. And the third way, click any cell, single cell in data set and click filter. So now a small arrow appear in the column head. Now we want order details placed by state Maharashtra. Now we are going to cover our first point, that is filtering data from the display list. So this is our list. Now what we want? We want the order details placed by state Maharashtra. So just click on that small arrow, click on select all. Now Now you will see that all the text box got clear. So to clear that checkbox, we need to click on select all. Fine. Now select Maharashtra. Just click on the box which is next to Maharashtra. Then click OK. So you will see we got the detail. We get the display of order details placed by Maharashtra. Okay. So now we apply one more filter. So now we will filter period. Means how many order placed by Maharashtra in the month of Jan. So click here in date column. Click select all. Then select January. OK. Okay. So here is the result. Means we got the result of how many orders placed by Maharashtra in the month of Jan. Fine. So if we want to clear this filter, what we have to do? Click on this clear option. So it will remove the filter. See, the filter gone away. So to clear filter, we need to click on clear. Fine. This is the one way. Second way, now we want the detail of Maharashtra. Order detail, right? So just select that cell. Right click it. Filter. Filter by selected cell value. The cell value is Maharashtra. We want the detail of Maharashtra, right? So just click on it. Now we got the detail of Maharashtra, right? Like this, we can apply one more filter by using the same way. Now we want to move ahead, so I am clearing this filter. So just click on clear button. Fine. So let's move to our next point. Second point, you can say a second topic, that is filter by searching. You can filter your data by searching. You can search the text in column by entering it in text box. Now I want detail of order AD123. Let's check how we filter the detail of order 123. So click arrow next to order, then select all to clear all checkbox. Then instead of scrolling like this, I will just enter the text 123. You will see AD123 appear. So click OK. So now we got a filter data. That means order AD123 is placed by Gujarat. And what is the product? Orange, category fruit. This data we got by searching text. Okay. This is how we can filter our data by searching. So let's move ahead to our third topic. For that, just clear this filter. So I just click clear. Fine. So let's move to our next topic. So let's start our third point. That is third topic. Filter data by specifying condition like number filter or text filter. So let's move towards our practical section. Now first we will check number filter. So let us see how. Just click arrow next to amount column. You will see number filter. This option is available only because this column contains numeric data. So now I am going to set a condition greater than. Fine. I will just enter 4,000. Means it will appear the data which contain the order value more than 4,000. Fine? Okay. You will see it is greater than 4,000. Fine? You can see the other option also. You can select the other option also. First, I will clear this. You will see the changes. Fine? So, we will check what are other conditions. Equal, does not equal, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, between, top 10, above our average, below average, custom filter. Okay, this is how you can set the condition and get the data filtered. Fine. So this is how we have ended number filter. Now we will learn text filter. Okay, so for that I am going to use product column. So just check the product: apple, banana, beans, broccoli, carrot, mango, orange. You will get the reason behind it later. Fine. So we will start our work. Click arrow next to product, then select text filter. So this option is available because this column contains text data. Fine. So now we will set a condition. Ends with. Type I. So now we will get the data which ends with I and click OK. You will see broccoli. Why I told you to check the product? Because only broccoli ends with I. That's why we got the result of condition ends with I as broccoli. Fine. Now I will clear this filter. Second example. Click product, text equals to question mark A asterisk. The meaning of this, we get the result where the text contains A as second character. Fine. I will just click OK. You will see my second character is A. This is how we can filter our text. Fine. Just like equal to, we will check the other condition. Equal, does not equal, begin with, ends with, contain, does not contain, custom filter. Okay. This is how we can use the text filter here. So let's move ahead to our third section. First clear it. I have cleared the filter. Fine. Let's move to third option. Our third point is date filter. We are going to filter our data applying date filter. So for that, just click arrow next to date. You will see date filter. Why it is for? Because this column consists date. So it appears only in this column. You will see here in amount column, you will not see date filter. Instead, you will not see date filter. Only it exists in date column. So for that, date filter, I want the data of last quarter. So I will select last quarter. Fine. You will see the last 3 months. That is last quarter. October, November, December. This is October, this is November, and this is December. Now this data got filtered. It will appear only last 3 months data. Fine? Because we have filtered last quarter. We have set the condition last quarter. I will just clear it. Check the other option also. See, equals, before, after, between, tomorrow, today, yesterday, next week, this week, last week, next month, this month, last month, next quarter, this quarter, last quarter, next year, this year, last year, year to date, all dates in periods. Fine? So this is how we can set our condition. So what we have learned? Text filter, date filter, and number filter. And this consists text filter, as it consists text data. This amount column consists number filter. It won't consist text filter. Why? It consists only numeric data. Okay? Here only text filter. Fine? You got the difference? Fine? So let's move to our next topic. Our next topic is, that is our fourth topic is filter by color. So for that we have to do some formatting. Let's start our work. Click category. You will see filter by color. Here yellow color is mentioned. So just select. Now you will see the data which has formatting, that is color formatting. Fine? I will just clear it. One more cell I will just. Fine. So here I will again apply filter by color. You will see I got the data which has color, text color. So this is how we can use the filter by color option. So now I am going to clear this. So this is how we have completed the whole topic. That is filtering data from display list, filtering by searching, filtering data by specific condition like number filter, text filter, date filter, and filter by color. Fine? I hope you have understood all the option. Practice it, each and every filter, and if you have any doubt, please write in comment box. And if you like my video, just hit like button and share with your friend. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, Aloki the Learning Space. Thank you.